This is a quick video on how to make a stop motion with the app iMotion HD on an iPad. First, you want to secure the iPad using some sort of a clamp, or I used a tripod here at the table. We're going to open this iMotion app right here, and we're going to select New Movie. We're going to give it a name. I've already given mine a name here. And then it starts on time-lapse, but we're going to start with manual and then start. So once we're in here, we want to hit display, and I've already turned these two things on, but you can see if we put a grid on there, we can see how much we've moved our pieces each time. It's just a helpful guide. And then the other little square box right here creates a shadow, and what the shadow does is you'll see when I take a picture, it's going to show where the thing used to be, which is a little bit helpful. So I'm going to hit capture, take a picture, and then I'm going to move something onto the screen, and I'm going to hit capture again. And each time I'm going to move it just a little bit. And see how you can see the shadow of where it used to be? Super helpful. And the less you move it, the smoother the picture is going to be. So we'll do this. And we're just speeding up the process here so that you don't have to watch while I take lots and lots of pictures one at a time. When we're done, we can hit stop and then stop again, and it shows what it looks like. And then I have this little speed control here, so if I didn't make as many photos as I should have, I can speed it up or slow it down, however I like. You can also do this in a movie editing app after you're done. There we go. Okay, and then I can export, and the one we're going to pick is Photo Library, and that's going to take it right into what I call the camera roll on the iPad app. You may call it the Photos app. And remember to allow access to all photos, otherwise you'll be frustrated because you'll only be able to see one. And hit close. And that is the extent of how you make a stop motion, and we'll look at it in the camera roll here. Here it is.